Sissy just made Manly a what did you call it? Marshmallow popsicle? Yeah. She put 3 marshmallows on one of those little treat sticks, squirted chocolate syrup on it, and put sprinkles. Now he's gonna make her something amazing. What you gonna make, Manny?
A popsicle marshmallow for Sissy.
Like she made you? Yeah. I am over here getting ready for supper, y'all. We're gonna be having steak fajitas tonight, so I'm slicing up some onion, peppers. I already got the radish ready.
Hey, where are those marshmallows?
Any black beans or anything?
There's probably an easier way to do this right here. But I like the difficult way.
Yeah.
What kind of meat you got, baby?
Sirloin, thin cut sirloin steaks.
Okay. There you go. No, I'm not gonna break this bowl. Some out there want me to, but I'm not. This right here was a job.
Yeah.
You need to get paid something, do we?
Yeah, we should have got that corn buddy at the farmer's market. Jonah
I ain't
found
getting paid nothing.
Jonah found a corn buddy at the farmer's market that he takes the corn off the cob. He just
Does he?
Yeah. You just like that. That's how you do it. Sissy made him a chocolate marshmallow pop.
How was it?
Good.
Tell.
I ate a steak too.
You did?
Yeah, I ate the steak
He
too.
did not eat the stick.
Oh, that's when you know they're good.
We joke and say that's so good you can eat the stick.
Oh, that's
and
weird.
he's saying he ate the stick.
All right, everybody, what we're fixing to do is Fallon, as you've seen, been cooking through the window here. She's been opening beans, and she's really excited, I will say, doing different things. But what we're fixing to do is slice up our meat. We're letting this Blackstone get really, really hot. Inside, we got some rice going for just a few minutes, and then we're gonna fry it.
Here are the black beans.
Oh, I'm just gonna pour them on there.
Oh, well, can they just do this?
All right, everybody, the idea of what I'm trying to do here is to make this as tender as possible. What I'm gonna do is slice it kinda, you see how I'm slicing against the grain? That's what you need to do. And I use this knife quite a bit, but I don't hardly ever have to sharpen it. You'll notice how sharp this knife is. I got this knife, I think, 2 years ago because I was a good person that year.
I gave him another one. He never uses the other one.
Where's it at, baby? I forgot about that.
I don't know. I don't even know if you've ever used it one time.
Well, I forgot about that one. Everybody, no, I'm not getting nothing for Christmas this year, everybody. I'm not getting anything. I love cooking outside, everybody. I know I've said it before and I'll say it again. I love cooking outside. We're gonna go ahead and get us a spatula. Listen to that. That's what you want to hear right there. I love that sound. Boy, I tell you what, I'm almost feeling like I'm in a little Japanese restaurant here doing all these fancy moves and all. I ain't charging you nothing for this. Good smells. Your meat will be tender if you cut against the grain like I was showing you all ago.
When are you going to season it?
I'm going to season it right now. I know this is different, but I'm going to now go in with my black pepper. I'm doing this different simply because I forgot to season it. We're keeping it real. Putting in a little salt. These little things are hard to get salt out of, so I just love to remove the bottom. And notice there's no salt in it anyway. Let's just skip the salt right now and go straight to the garlic powder. How about that? Yeah, we're going in with a little garlic powder. You want to go ahead and have your stuff probably open, but this is, I'm just keeping it real. So
Sorry, I didn't know it wasn't open.
No apologies, no apologies necessary. I'll get it. Just a little bit of chili, not much. What happened was, a while ago, I was so busy doing all them fancy moves, I forgot to season this meat. Nobody panic. Oh yeah, really.
Smells like Dollywood out here, I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Thought I was fixing to go get on the Eagle. Actually, no, I would never get on that Eagle, but I would get on River Rampage. We could get the water hose, the water one on sprinkle and pretend like when we get finished eating, pretend like we're on the River Rampage.
That would be awesome.
We could get on Cece's unicorn float into the pond and let them squirt us. Woo! And we could tie a rope to the end of it and Jonah could like just make us,
creative we'll
make
get
us
around
move
here.
around. That was great. Ooh, that was great.
What happened?
It's okay.
All right, everybody, it's time to go on with our vegetables. Beautiful sound, beautiful sound. All right. I'm actually going to go ahead and put the corn in too.
Oh.
You be careful.
Are you going to cook those radishes?
Yeah, we're going to cook them.
Oh, okay.
They on there now, it's too late to turn back. Y'all, there's lots of mess ups whenever we start cooking, but we just keep it real. It always turns out to be good, most of the time. All right, now I'll just come right in here and start doing the deal here.
Popcorn!
Going on with just a little bit more pepper here. I'm not worried that this is not the correct knife.
Tyler brought it
This
out.
may not be the correct time to even bring this about to some.
You just tell me when you need something. I'm going to sit back right here.
You don't mind if you do.
Daddy, Jake, Tyler, Jonah, Sissy, Manly. We'll need a few more. I got another packet.
Are we going to cook them or just not cook them tonight? Are you okay? Fallon's been almost injured a few times on this episode of Moss Family TV. She's fell almost twice. Now there's been a piece of corn that has popped over into her eye.
That scraper fell on my foot a minute ago.
There's some danger in all things we do in life, but hang on to rice.
Here's some more butter, and I'll bring a plate for all this.
Okay. Woo! I almost need some steak buds. That joker almost hit me in the eyeball. I won't let it hinder me, folks. I'll continue to press my way until I get this fajita cooked for you.
Where did this line up? Steak, peppers, rice. You want to put any butter on here before we do this
I might
part?
just go out on the street.
Forget the food truck. We the food roll up.
With the food roll up, buddy. Somebody might get that mixed up and say y'all a bunch of fruit roll up.
It's our audition video for Food Network right here.
Right here it is. If y'all want us, we're ready. If not, we're not gonna lose any sleep over it, I promise you that. We've been doing this a long time, buddy. One thing we figured out is safety glasses. If they get me on there, I'm coming in with safety glasses.
If they could only see too that we don't want the grease popping from the Blackstone onto our porch.
Shower curtain.
So we have an old
shower curtain. One that Fallon hates. I choose my words carefully in our world today. Do you have any shower curtains that you disapprove of? Because we could use them for our porch. Speechless. Mm-mm-mm.